for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind, I can't get out. Tell me things
What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Haylee and I'm so happy you're stopping by today's video. Hope you'll stick around and subscribe. On my channel I love sharing tons of cleaning motivation, homemaking videos, and all of the mom life stuff. And in today's video we're going to be doing a mom life clean with me. You guys always love these videos and I hope that you find them motivating. So if you're wanting to clean it with me today, prop me up somewhere and let's clean along together and have a friend. Or you can sit down, relax, and then once you're done watching this video, you can get up and tackle something. Thank you guys all so much for being here. We're starting off today in the bathroom, and I used to have this little organizer down below in the open shelving, but Waverly would always try to grab it and I didn't want her to break any of my makeup, so I decided just to put it on my counter. And I want to find a little bit prettier of one until I get an over the toilet like storage cabinet, because once I get that, then I will put all this in there. But for now, I just am kind of wiping everything out, organizing it, and calling it good.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say,
now I'm going ahead and just cleaning this vanity, and I'm taking everything off, and then I'm going to use my Jaws bathroom cleaner and just going to use a scrub daddy to scrub the counters and the sink. And then I did go ahead and wash the mirror, but I didn't show that for some reason, so I am just going to scrub this. I love using a scrubber for the counters because I use hairspray and a whole bunch of other things, and I feel like a lot of times it gets, like, rag doesn't always get it off, so it's good to use a scrub daddy sometimes.
Something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who.
I am just using that same Jaws bathroom cleaner for the toilet and the tub, and then I'm just using a Clorox wipe for the outside of the tub, not the tub, the toilet. And then I'm going to dump the garbages, get that all removed, and then I'm going to go into the bottom shelves and just kind of straighten things up after.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. going back, there's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us.
We got the bathroom all nice and clean, and now we're moving on into the living room. I needed to put clothes away, fold laundry, put blankets away, all that kind of stuff, and I just was doing a general clean. I wasn't doing anything major this day.
They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside, so right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it.
Waverly saw that I was putting that liner back into the diapers, and she was like, no, that's my baby's blanket. So I tried to have her use her actual blanket for her baby, so she ended up using that instead. But she just thinks that's the perfect little blanket for her little baby and a crib.
Night, riding on the dizzying heights. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh.
I'm just going to quickly vacuum the rug in the living room, and then we'll move on into the table and the kitchen, which were a lot more messy than the living room. Okay, these two rooms were just a mess. We went to Costco over the weekend, and so I needed to put away some of the stuff that we hadn't put away yet. We had just other random things. We got this meat grinder and vacuum sealer from Trajan's parents, so I needed to put that away. So when we want to use it, we can, and just getting things straightened up. And then I also went to Hobby Lobby, so you're going to see in a second I have all my Hobby Lobby Christmas stuff, just because I've been slowly picking it up, just because I don't have a ton of budget just to go spend all at once. So I just was getting things here and there, so we're going to get everything straightened up, so we're good to go.
Oh no, with your words on repeat, I will break like a twig right under your feet. Don't you say that you didn't want me. You turned me upside down, and then you into my bed and under my skin. Oh, where will it end if I let it begin? So bittersweet, you know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. Hey, it's alright now. Listen to such a beautiful sound. this trick or treat. You know life's too short.
I got these flavored drinks and I wanted to be able to stick them in the fridge, so I had to do some rearranging since we had just gone grocery shopping and went to Costco. So I just took some things out that didn't belong and got those to fit and got them all put away.
It's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round. How come I feel we're under attack? Like they're trying to pull us back. We're the only ones who really know which way to go. Hey, it's alright now. Listen, it's such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know.
I'm going ahead and cleaning the stovetop, and I really needed to do more of a thorough clean, but it was getting to the point I didn't really want to, but I knew I needed to get a bunch of other things done on this day, so it just got the bare minimum today, and I was okay with it at that point. But then once we get done with this, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down at the counter over by the dishwasher so I can unload that.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my
Now I'm just loading up the dishwasher, and then I'm going to go ahead and hand wash the dishes that need hand washed.
referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but I have been trying to post more. I was originally wanting to just do 2 days a week, but I found that I've actually been able to manage 3 videos a week, not terribly. So that's what I've been trying to do, and I think I have all of my videos planned out for the rest of October. So I'd love to know all of your video requests so I can start kind of figuring out November, just so I can get like an idea of what all I need for the videos, planning, etc. But I think I'm leaning towards posting every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, just so it's like always the same, and then I usually will post a short Tuesdays, Thursdays. So that's kind of like what I'm thinking for my plan so far. We'll see how long it takes. It might get too crazy and I'll go down to 2 videos a week, but that's kind of a general what I'm thinking. And this Friday's video, if all goes to plan, should be my front porch clean and decorate. It's not going to be anything too crazy. I don't have that big of a front porch, but I do want to add a few fall touches, make it cozy and all of that. So you're probably going to see that, and then I think I'm going to add a recipe in it and maybe some cleaning. We'll just kind of see how that goes. But yeah, be looking out for that video on Friday. But I'm super excited just to be posting more. It's fun for me, and I just like to be able to do it, and a lot of you guys find these videos motivating. So I'm glad that I'm able to post as many as I have been able to.
Change me, got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow.
Like I mentioned earlier, towards the end of me cleaning, I was just kind of like over it, so I was doing the bare minimum. So I just was vacuuming the floors today, and then I really needed to mop them because Trajan had cut up a watermelon over the weekend and was handing the pieces to Waverly, and she got sticky everywhere, so I really needed to mop them. And there was just like the certain spots that really needed mopped. So you're gonna see I leave the rugs as I mopped. I was just doing it lazy today, and I can mop later this week or next week be better about how I'm mopping.
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do.
Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and just mop up these floors, and then my house is gonna be tidied and cleaner than what it was before. And you know, sometimes that's all that matters, is that you did some cleaning, and that's good enough for me. And next week I can be better and get the house cleaner. But I hope you guys got tons of motivation from today's video, and you're able to clean along with me, or be able to just get the motivation to now get up and accomplish something on your to-do list. But if you guys liked today's video, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my decorating videos for fall and all my other cleaning motivation. And make sure you leave a comment if you liked today's video, and I will see you guys all in my very next video. Bye, you guys.